Hi, I'm Darrel Poper, AIFD, floral designer and visual display artist at Shinoda Design Center. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate a handle for an Easter basket. This basket could be used for Easter eggs, candies, could be used on a dining room table. Maybe you want to put some beautiful fresh plants in it, but that'll be your choice. So what I'm picking is, we have a beautiful garland with Easter eggs and little white blossoms and some little green berries. I love the color that's kind of antique-y looking. Now this is a hand wrap. Again, so what we want to do, we want to make sure we undo all of the wires on here, arrange all of our flowers before we put it on our basket handle. There's a lot on this one. I love the color of this, the orange and lime green, a little bit of yellow, very spring. And the color on this is a little bit muted, which I like too, because it doesn't just scream out bright colors. So for springtime, this should go with anybody's decor. I picked a basket that was a heavy willow basket that's really been lacquered in white, very sturdy and strong. So we're going to take our end of our stem. I'm going to dip it in our glue pan. I'll tell you about that in just a second. We'll stick this in. Now I'm using a glue pan, and this is the glue that I recommend that we carry at Shinoda. This is from the company of Oasis. This is the best glue, and when you glue with this, it doesn't come off. It's permanent. So it's a great glue. I use it all the time. We're going to take our vine of our flowers, and I'm going to wrap it around the handle. Now, rather than gluing it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of the fronds, and I'm going to just wire them on here. I wanted to leave the handle on this. I didn't want to make it permanently tight on here. I wanted to have it loose and airy. I wanted to make it very natural looking, like it might have grown on this basket. Don't price tag off. It's going to be a little bit too long, but rather than cutting it, let me show you what we're going to do. Again, I'm twisting it. Arrange our flowers. Love these colors for this. It's so pretty. And I like the white, the little white blossoms are really nice on this because I'd like to keep the color of the basket repeated in the design that we're doing. And that is what our white flowers will do for us on this display. So rather than cutting this, I'm just going to take this on the bottom and I'm going to leave this extension and just wire it on real tight. I've selected a ribbon to use with this. I think I'm going to pick the plaid that's got the hot pink, the lime green, and the orange in it. And then I'm going to use another one with it, double-faced satin. And Shinoda has, without a doubt, the best selection of ribbon anywhere. We are the biggest ribbon distributor on the West Coast. So if you haven't seen our ribbon, you must come in to see what we have to offer. I'm going to take our ribbon, going to make a bow, shiny side up, pinch it in, shiny side up, back, pinch it in, shiny side up towards you, pinch it in, shiny side up, back, pinch it in, shiny side forward, pinch it in, shiny side forward, back, pinch it in, one more loop. Okay. All right. I'm going to cut this. I've taken 2 strips of ribbon that I have that match this. I'm going to put them both on, one at each end, and then I'm going to use the lime green again as well. I'm going to leave these really long, and you'll see why. Too much is better. And we'll take some wire, run it through, back, and twist real tight. I think this is enough loops on this. Generally, when you're making a bow, you're going to figure out about what you want your project to look like. I don't want the bow to be the main thing on this basket, so I thought this is plenty. I don't need any more loops than this. So we're going to pick one of the sides. I'm going to do this side to put my bow on. This is the side that has the weight, so let's do it on the opposite side. And twist again, real tight. So one good thing about wiring it, if you decide you don't like where you put it, you can take it off and do it over. I'm going to take wire cutters and snip the wires. Now, I want to take this and have it loose and airy running through it. And what I'm going to do is, you could use a glue gun. I'm going to use the glue from my glue pan, a little stick. Double it. I want it real airy, so I'm going to open it up just a little bit. Take it, and I'm going to twist this and turn it. And dovetail the end. Remember, hold your ribbon up, Pinch it in from the center of the ribbon. I wanted this ribbon to look like it's just dancing through this, so I've got it turned in different directions. Same way. This ribbon is great because the same pattern is on both sides and it's finished on both sides, which is really a nice extra feature rather than having a raw side to your ribbon. So I lucked out this time. And we'll have some extra ribbon here, so I'm just going to do a couple little love knots and dovetail the end again. More glue strands, these are free. Okay. Now then, after it's all done, some of our little hand wrap flowers got a little smashed on here, so we can go ahead and retwist them. I like the loose and airy effect of the twigs on this. It's very garden looking. And twirl them around like you'd see them in a garden. Now for our final touch, we're going to take Easter grass. Love this one. Look at this, and it matches lime green. Love that color. And here's our finished Easter basket. All it needs is eggs and a chocolate bunny. I get dibs on the ears. Have a great day and be with us at Shinoda Design Center for more inspiration.